Ever wondered how SpaceX plans to land on Mars? This video dives deep into the groundbreaking Starship mission and explains every step of the journey. From launching from Earth to the intense belly flop landing on Mars, discover how SpaceX will make Mars a second home. First up, Starship Vehicle. The ultimate Mars ship. SpaceX has developed Starship, a fully reusable stainless steel rocket system designed to take humans and cargo to Mars and back. It's built to carry large amounts of cargo and up to 100 passengers. Two-stage system Starship consists of two parts: the Super Heavy booster, which provides the initial thrust, and the Starship spacecraft itself, which houses the crew and cargo. Launching from Earth. Orbital refueling. To reach Mars, Starship will need a lot of fuel. After launching into Earth's orbit, another Starship tanker will refuel the Mars-bound Starship in orbit. This gas station in space technique will allow Starship to reach Mars without carrying all its fuel from the start. Interplanetary travel. Gravity and orbital dynamics. SpaceX plans to take advantage of favorable alignments of Earth and Mars, which occur every 26 months, to minimize travel time and fuel costs. 6-month journey. At its closest point, Mars is about 6 months away from Earth. Starship is designed to sustain life for this duration, with considerations for radiation shielding and essential life support systems. All right, let's talk about Mars entry and landing. Starship will enter Mars' thin atmosphere at high speeds. To slow down, it will perform a dramatic belly flop maneuver, where it descends horizontally and uses its large surface area to create drag. Just before touching down, Starship will perform a flip maneuver, where it transitions from horizontal to vertical orientation, firing its engines to control descent and land upright on Mars. Moving on to Mars surface operations. The first missions will likely focus on setting up habitats and life support systems for future explorers. SpaceX also plans to send cargo missions ahead of human missions to stock up on supplies and equipment. SpaceX aims to produce fuel on Mars using the Sabatier process, which converts Martian CO2 and hydrogen into methane and oxygen. This will make return trips to Earth more sustainable, enabling Starship to refuel on Mars. Now let's discuss the return to Earth. Once refueled, Starship would launch back to Earth, performing a similar belly flop entry and vertical landing upon return. To wrap things up, SpaceX's vision for Mars is to create a sustainable, long-term human presence with an eventual goal of building a city. Elon Musk has spoken about making humanity a multiplanetary species, and this approach with Starship is the most detailed and technically feasible plan to date for turning that vision into reality.